Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. Have you ever felt like your monitor was just a window rather than a portal into your digital world? What if you could upgrade your entire computing experience, making everything from work to play more immersive and comfortable? Well, today we're doing just that as we take an in-depth look at the brand new Samsung 27-inch Essential S3 S36GD Series FHD 1800 R curved computer monitor, 100Hz, game mode, advanced eye comfort, LS27D 366 Gangsa, 2024. This isn't just another screen. It's a game changer for your desk. Let's start with what immediately grabs your attention: the curve for enhanced engagement design. This monitor boasts an 1800R curvature, which isn't just for aesthetics. It's a brilliant piece of engineering designed to wrap more closely around your natural field of vision. Think about it. Instead of a flat screen where the edges feel distant, this curve brings everything into focus, literally pulling you into the content. It creates a wider, more natural view, significantly enhancing your depth perception and minimizing those annoying peripheral distractions. Whether you're deep into a spreadsheet, lost in a movie, or exploring a new game world, the curved display makes you feel like you're truly inside the action, not just observing it. It's a subtle yet profound difference that reduces eye movement and boosts your overall immersion, making long sessions far more engaging. Next up, let's talk about performance, because a beautiful display is only as good as its fluidity. The Samsung Essential S3 delivers smooth performance for seamless content thanks to its impressive 100Hz refresh rate. For anyone who's experienced choppy visuals or motion blur, this is a breath of fresh air. That 100Hz means the screen refreshes 100 times per second, significantly reducing lag and motion blur. What does this mean for you? Buttery smooth scrolling when browsing the web, incredibly fluid animations, and crisp, clear visuals in fast-paced videos or games. You won't miss a single detail in those critical, rapid-fire moments. And speaking of gaming, this monitor takes it a step further with more gaming power through its dedicated game mode. This isn't just a gimmick, it's an intelligent optimization. Game mode lets you adjust color and image contrast, allowing you to see scenes more vividly and, crucially, spot enemies hiding in the darkest corners. It also adjusts any game to perfectly fill the screen, ensuring you view every detail without distortion. Together, the 100Hz and game mode give you a serious competitive edge and a much more enjoyable gaming experience. But immersion and performance shouldn't come at the cost of your well-being. Samsung understands this, which is why the Essential S3 is designed to keep it easy on the eyes. This is a feature I cannot stress enough for anyone spending hours in front of a screen. This monitor comes with advanced eye comfort technology certified by TÜV, a leading international certification body. What does that certification mean for you? It means this monitor actively reduces eye strain by minimizing blue light emissions and eliminating irritating screen flicker. We all know that feeling of tired, dry eyes after a long day, but with this technology, you can stay comfortable and focused for much longer. Your eyes will feel less strained, more refreshed, allowing you to be more productive and enjoy your content without the usual fatigue. Finally, the increased versatility of this monitor ensures it fits perfectly into any setup. With both HDMI and D-sub ports, you have the flexibility to connect to a wide range of devices, from your latest gaming PC to older laptops or consoles. It's truly plug-and-play convenience, making your computing environment even more adaptable and user-friendly. So, who is this monitor for? It's for the everyday user who wants a more comfortable and engaging experience, for the casual gamer seeking an edge, for the remote worker who values eye comfort during long hours, and for anyone who appreciates premium features without breaking the bank. The Samsung 27-inch Essential S3 monitor isn't just an upgrade. It's an investment in your digital comfort and enjoyment. If you're ready to transform your desktop experience, making every interaction more immersive, smoother, and easier on your eyes, then this is the monitor you've been waiting for. Don't just look at your content, experience it. Ready to dive into a world of immersive visuals and unparalleled comfort? You can find the link to check out the Samsung 27-inch Essential S3 monitor and grab yours right in the description below. If you enjoyed this review, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech insights, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.